So good day, sir. So in this video I will create a VLAN with access port and trunk port using Cisco Packet Tracer. So let's add two switch and PC. So this is our VLAN 1, and the VLAN 1 is for fast Ethernet 1 to 5, and then VLAN 2 is for 6 to 10, and then VLAN 3 is for 11 to 15, and VLAN 4 is 16 to 20. Ethernet 1, fast Ethernet 2, and then fast Ethernet 3. So this is our VLAN 1. And this is our VLAN 2, which is the VLAN 2 is 6 to 10. This is our VLAN 3. VLAN 3 is for 11 to 15. Next, VLAN 4. So VLAN 4 is for 16 to 20. VLAN 4. So next I will do in 4 VLANs in switch 2. So this is our VLAN 1 in the switch 2. So it's this parehas lang po na VLAN 1 is for 1 to 5, VLAN 2 is for 6 to 10, and then VLAN 3 11 to 15, and VLAN 4 is 16 to 20. This is our VLAN 1 for switch 2. The next VLAN 2 VLAN 2 is for 6 to 10 fast Ethernet. This is our VLAN 2. Next, VLAN 3. So VLAN 3 is for fast Ethernet 15 to 11 to 15. This is our VLAN 3. Then next VLAN 4. Then VLAN 4 is fast Ethernet 16 to 20. Our VLAN 4. So in access port is we need to connect switch 1 to switch 2 using 4 ports. So VLAN 1 is 1 to 5, VLAN 2 is for 6 to 10, and then VLAN 3 is 11 to 15, and VLAN 4 is 16 to 20. So we will connect VLAN 1, so 1 to 5, so 5, and then switch 2, also 5. And then VLAN 2 is 6 to 10, so we will connect fast Ethernet 10, and then in switch 2, fast Ethernet 10 also. And then VLAN 3 is for 11 to 15, so we will connect this in 15, and then switch 2 also 15. And then VLAN 4 is 16 to 20, so we will connect this in 20, and then switch to 20. So the border so this is the access port. So we will save this as access port. So next sir is trunk port, and in trunk port is we will use just one port. So we will remove these 4 ports. So we will connect the switch 1 in switch 2 in 20 or 21. So we will use 20 and then 20. So this is the trunk port with one port. So we will save this as trunk port. So tapos na sir. So I hope my work is correct, and thank you for watching.